What's going on, folks? I'm Evan, and this is probably the best Class C motorhome under 25 feet, and it has room for the whole family. Let's go check it out. All right, y'all, here we are. This is the 2025 Forest River Sunseeker 2250 LE with a slide, so the SLE. Fantastic, tiny little motorhome. We got it on the Ford with the new 7.3 liter V8, so it's got tons of power, tons of torque, and it doesn't guzzle gas quite as much as that old V10 used to. We're on the E350 as opposed to the usual 450, so this is only a 158-inch wheelbase. I mean, we're 23'10" total length. It's tiny, super small. We still have dual rear wheels. We've got a built-in generator. I mean, check this out. Let's have a quick walk around the outside. It's pretty cold and it's pretty noisy out here with the highway right there. So we're gonna make this quick for you. We got a 4,500 watt NPS generator. So that's a Yamaha engine and NPS stuff. It's awesome, super quiet, and that'll pull right off your fuel tank, run you down to a quarter tank before you gotta fill up. We got propane right there, all your services on this side, and the keen-eyed out there, you might have noticed, we've got a little side camera right here. So you have side cameras and a backup camera in this unit. Tons of visibility with the mirrors and everything, but even more with those cameras. One slide, Schwintek slide, but they have the rollers in there, so you're not gonna have that little plastic bracket issue. Got your sewer connection back here. We've got a pretty good storage area underneath the slide here. Rotocast storage bin, plenty of room in there. We can tow 5,000 pounds on the E350. We got a propane quick connect for your barbecue back here. Got the shark fin up top. So for those of you that aren't familiar, Sunseeker runs most of their electrical in the roof, and all the terminations kind of wrap through that shark fin up there. So really easy to service. That just pops off. We got your backup camera up there. This has 4-point auto level. It is under 24 feet long, 158-inch wheelbase, and you still get 4-point auto level. Kind of crazy. Now that is optional. That's not standard on the LE, just so you know. Got some more storage on this side. Rotocast bin with the drain plug, so you can, get it dirty in there and it's easy to clean it out. This Sunseeker stuff is really high quality. That's kind of the name of the game with them. Reasonably priced, extremely high quality. We got vacuum bonded laminated sidewalls, laminated roof, laminated floor. So that's a fiberglass roof. There's no membrane up there. You don't have to worry about ripping or tearing or anything. You just watch your seals and make sure there's no cracks or anything, and you're golden. Big awning with the LED strip. We got JBL speakers out here. I mean, this thing, they really pack it in here. There's solar on the roof. Now let's head inside, get out of the noise. So first things first, we open the door. There's kind of a sneak peek of the inside, but wait, you can't see that yet. Down here, we've got your auto level controller. We've got your battery disconnect, switches for your exterior lights, and your awning control. We also have your battery box right in the step here. So you got one battery, room for a second one, and a vent down there. We got a 4-person dinette right here. Look at all the storage, all the lights. This is a fantastic little motorhome. There's so much in here. Plenty of storage in the kitchen. We even have a 12-volt TV up there above the bunk. Windows on both sides of the bunk. We got some power, some storage up here. So, for the kids, the grandkids. USBs at the end there. And then that is obviously the rest of your bed. Goes right here. The LE has your standard chassis, cloth seats. They don't swivel. We do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Tons of cup holders. Then we've got cruise control, manual lights, manual mirrors. But you have the side and backup cameras, and those will come up, if you turn your right signal on, the right side will come up big in that screen. If you put your backup camera on, or if you put it in reverse, puts the backup camera on. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto through these plugs right here. Then we've got charging plugs, we've got household power, a little glove box. And these chassis are really easy to get in and out of because you do have the running boards. So you got plenty of room to get in and out of, lots of storage in the doors, and tons of visibility. That's the best part about the 350, the 450. They're just really nice to drive. You get lots of visibility. You're low to the ground, so you don't feel like you're driving a bus. Now that's enough about the boring stuff. Let's talk about the meat and potatoes. 4-person dinette with the table. This does turn into a bed if you want a bed. This side we have 2 seat belts. So 2 seat belts here, 2 up there. Under your dinette, we got these massive soft close drawers. There's so much storage, you won't even know what to do with it. 75-pound ball bearing drawer slides, soft close drawers. Control panels over here. You got dimmable main lights, so you can really set the mood. You got your generator control, auto gen start. This one has the Arctic pack, so that turns on when it's under 40 degrees or so, and just keeps your tanks nice and warm. And we got a bunch of storage above your dinette. Really nice cabinetry this year. The fit and finish on this stuff has come a long way. Even, you know, they've been high quality for a long time, but they're just getting better. Magnetic latches. And then underneath there, we got a nice light strip. Keep it bright in here. We got roller shades on all the windows, so you can block out the sun. And there are these little felt pads on the back side, so you can put Velcro on the wall and stick it to it, and it's not going to rattle around while you're moving. But even if you leave it like this, the felt helps to kind of dampen that. Over to your kitchen. It's small, you know, it's quaint. You've got a flip-up countertop on the end for some additional counter space. It's hard to get in and out with that up though, so you're gonna end up putting that down, you know, if you're kind of coming in and out. We got a wireless charger for your phone or the margarita machine. That's up to you. USB and plugs down there. Another roller shade. And I like that they still kind of stuffed this window in here despite the small size of the kitchen, because you can still see your campsite. Keep an eye on the dog, the grandkids, keep an eye on the campsite, whatever it is. You can do it. Up above your sink, we've got more big cabinets, tons of room in here, kind of a lipped upper shelf. Close those up. Got another strip light to set the mood. Cool little backsplash here. 3-burner stove with the blue LEDs, of course, and a convection microwave. Underneath that, we got your pots and pans drawer, so it's a little bit taller than the rest, and it's soft close as well. Little storage under your sink. Wow, a lot of storage under your sink actually. Holy smokes. One more little drawer for the doodads, your silverware, cooking utensils, whatever you want to put in there. So I mean, not a ton of storage directly in the kitchen because it's smaller, but still enough. We got a fantastic fan in the roof over here, and then there is some hookups for, like, if you want to plug a DVD player in or something for your TV. Then we have a little storage underneath, and that's a soft close cabinet as well. And I forgot to mention, this TV, it runs your radio, your stereo, Bluetooth, all of that is directly through there. So you have a JBL soundbar in the bottom of that, and then you've got your exterior speakers that run through that system. Now turning our attention towards the back, we have a huge either pantry or wardrobe, because you have hanging space on this side, and this is like 2 feet deep. It's massive. And then you have adjustable shelves on this side. So maybe, you know, a little wardrobe, a little pantry, but you can take the shelves out and hang stuff in there if that's what you want. 3 big drawers, so plenty of room for clothes, and they're all soft close, very nice. Little step up at the back here, but before we get into your bedroom, let's talk about the fridge, because this is a new fridge to me. I haven't seen this one before. So it's a Furrion 12-volt fridge, but instead of being the sideways opening doors, we've got a drawer for your freezer with like a secondary drawer on top, and it's really deep. And then we have a double door fridge. There's so much room in here. Holy smokes, look at this. Got the adjustable shelves. This thing's huge. Tons of storage in the doors. Nice. AC up there. No vents in this one, so you're not getting vented AC because it's so small. What's the point, right? You just open up whatever direction you want it to go, and it's going to go that direction. Got a nice separated bathroom, so we have a water closet, but we've got your sink and everything out here. Your medicine cabinet. Sorry, folks, Evan is not included. Little room in there. Got your thermostat right here, and you have controls for your lights, so bathroom light and your bedroom light right there. GFCI outlet. Nice, good sized sink. Like, you can get your hands in there and actually wash them. And a little bit of storage for your bathroom stuff down there. While we're over in the bathroom, let's talk about the water closet. So we got these new hooks on the back of the door. Real nice, because they fold up out of the way and they're not rattling around like the old Sunseeker used to put this like hanging, swinging rod thing there, and it sucked because it just made so much noise going down the road. Porcelain foot flush toilet with honestly like a pretty decent amount of room. If you're a wide spreader though, you're gonna end up keeping the door open because it kind of enters your knee space. Then we got your shower, reinforced shower floor, easy access for service through that little port there. Oxygen infused shower head, so you're not burning up all your water. And then we got a fart fan up here to help with the condensation. If you want, you could make that a Fantastic fan or a Max Air fan. Skylight in the shower, so there's lots of room. Hopefully this might give you an idea. I'm like 5'11", 6'2" with the hat, and there's tons of room. Now, this shower curtain is awesome. Some people don't like them, but I like it because it latches in place. You can kind of push on it and it's going to move. It's going to pull out some extra fabric. But then when you put it away, all the water gets swiped off and goes down the drain. So you're not cleaning a glass or plastic shower curtain or door. It just gets cleaned off every time you put it away. Now, of course, you're still going to have to clean it every once in a while because it's not going to get fully dried by doing that, but pretty cool nonetheless. Big window at the back, turning into your bedroom. Up above my head right here, I'm going to try not to make you motion sick. We've got another vent, no fan, but you can put a fan in there. We got a split mattress. So the slide comes in and this piece of the mattress comes up and over. So as long as you buy sheets that aren't too tight, it'll come up and they'll kind of stay on the bed. And when it goes out, they'll stay on the corners. Roller shades on both of these windows too. Some cabinets above your bed. It's a bit of a reach. And they soft close. Also little shelves there, so for your phone or CPAP or a drink, some water. And then beside the bed on both sides, you got USB and power. Little table here, nightstand with a drawer. So, and that's quite deep. There's a ton of space in there. Soft close drawer. Also, as you can see, flopping around in front of me, we got this curtain for a little separation. And it really makes it into a nice little room in here. And on this side, I'm sorry, there is no power or USB on this side. I was wrong. But you do have it over on that side. And I'm going to turn around slowly. GFCI outlet here. And TV 12-volt cable hookups. So if you want to mount a TV, you got the backer in here on this side, so you can put your TV there. This is such a great little motorhome. I'm very impressed with how much they did with the space. Tons of room. Oh my gosh, look at this. There's more storage. I didn't even see that before. It goes so far back there. Wow. We're learning together. Always learning new things. There's your bedroom. Here's another look at your dinette. Your wardrobe, the kitchen, and that's it, folks. That's the 2025 Forest River Sunseeker 2250 SLE. Let me know what you guys think of this in the comments. Is it too small for you? I could probably make do with that. There's a ton of room in there. Let me know what you think though. I want to hear your thoughts. If you like it, give the video a like. If you like me, subscribe. And if you want to buy one of these, let me know. My email is down in the description. Shoot me an email and we'll get you into your next motorhome. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.